Welcome to Suraj Group of School. Myself Jaswant Singh, lecturer in mathematics. स्टूडेंट्स, कॉनिक सेक्शन के अंतर्गत आज हम पैराबोला को स्टडी करेंगे. ओके, तो पैराबोला क्या है? पैराबोला इज ए पार्ट ऑफ कॉनिक सेक्शन इन विच eccentricity. What is eccentricity? The ratio of SP's to PM. In the case of parabola, it is always equal to 1. Means SP equal to PM. Okay. Later on you will study if E less than 1, then it will become, the conic section will become ellipse. If E means greater than 1, E means the ratio of SP's to PM is greater than 1, then the conic section will become hyperbola. Now we will study 4 different standard form of the parabola. Right-handed parabola, in which vertex is at the origin and focus is at a, 0. Okay. Students, as per the definition of the parabola, SP equal to PM and the distance from A to S is A and the distance from negative of origin from this vertex is at the origin. And the equation of directrix is, what is the directrix? Directrix is a straight line. Directrix एक ऐसी straight line होती है, ध्यान रखना. X equal to equation of directrix is x equal to minus a. Vertex क्या है इसमें? Vertex is at origin 0, 0. Focus क्या है? Focus के कोऑर्डिनेट s है a, 0. इक्वेशन ऑफ डायरेक्ट्रिक्स, इक्वेशन डायरेक्ट्रिक्स क्या होती है? डायरेक्ट्रिक्स इज ए फिक्स्ड लाइन पैरेलल टू y एक्सिस. y एक्सिस के पैरेलल एक फिक्स्ड लाइन होती है. अब इसकी इक्वेशन क्या होगी? x इक्वल टू माइनस a और x प्लस a इक्वल्स 0. Okay. So by definition of the parabola, by definition, parabola की definition के according SP equal to PM, क्योंकि parabola में जो eccentricity होती है, and you what is the eccentricity? The ratio of SP is to PM. Okay. And in case of parabola, eccentricity is always equal to what? Means SP equal to PM. Students, S से P तक की डिस्टेंस फार्मूला से डिस्टेंस निकालते हैं तो it will become x minus a whole square plus y minus 0 का whole square equal to PM. PM means P पॉइंट से इस लाइन, स्ट्रेट लाइन पर परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस, एंड ये स्ट्रेट लाइन क्या है? डायरेक्ट्रिक्स. दैट विल बी x प्लस a अपॉन रूट ओवर कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x का स्क्वायर प्लस कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ y का स्क्वायर. दैट इज y is not over here, then the coefficient of y is obviously 0. Squaring both sides. स्क्वायरिंग करने पे तो x स्क्वायर प्लस a स्क्वायर माइनस ट्वाइस ax प्लस y स्क्वायर इक्वल x स्क्वायर प्लस a स्क्वायर प्लस ट्वाइस ax. x स्क्वायर कैंसिल आउट, a स्क्वायर कैंसिल आउट, y स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 4ax. y स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 4x is the standard form of the parabola, right? That is right-handed parabola. Okay. Later on we will study 3 other forms: left-handed parabola, upward parabola and downward parabola. Okay. Students, now we will study left-handed parabola. And focus of the left-handed parabola, coordinate of focus are -a, 0. And vertex of the left-handed parabola is at the origin 0, 0. And equation of directrix, and you know directrix is straight line parallel to y-axis, and directrix is always situated opposite of the focus, and the equation of the directrix will be x equal to a or x minus a equal to 0. Okay. By definition of the parabola, SP equal to PM. पैराबोला की डेफिनेशन से SP equal to PM. Okay. And SP means the distance of focus from the point. That will be x plus a whole square plus y minus naught का whole square equal to perpendicular distance of the point P from this straight line, that is directrix, and that will be x minus a upon coefficient of x square. Squaring both sides, squaring x square plus a square plus twice ax plus y square equal to x square plus a square minus twice x. X square cancel out, a square x square cancel out, and y square equal to, you will get minus 4x. This is the equation of left-handed parabola. Okay. Now two other form we will discuss after this. Now we will discuss about upward parabola. Students, focus of the upward parabola will be, the coordinate of the focus will be 0, a, and you know upward parabola lie along the y-axis. Okay, axis along the y-axis. Okay, and vertex of the upward parabola, definitely it will be at the origin 0, 0 पर है vertex. And equation of directrix क्या होती है? Directrix is straight line, fixed straight line situated opposite to the focus, and that will be nothing but y equal to minus a. That will be y plus a equal to 0. Focus is a fixed point and directrix is a fixed straight line. Okay. By definition you will get over here SP equal to PM, and the distance of S from the P will be x minus naught whole square, y minus a whole square equal to y plus a upon root over 1. Squaring, after squaring you will get like previous equation, squaring x square equal to 4ay. This is the standard equation of the upward parabola. Similarly, you can easily find out the standard equation of the downward parabola, that will be x square equal to minus 4ay. Later on we will discuss about lattice rectum of the parabola. Students, lattice rectum. What is the lattice rectum? Lattice rectum is a chord, parallel chord to the y-axis, and the chord which passes through the focus. Chord of the parabola which passes through the focus of the parabola is known as lattice rectum. And this chord must be parallel to the y-axis. y-axis के पैरेलल होना चाहिए और फोकस से पास होना चाहिए. Students, you know the standard equation of the right-handed parabola, that is y square equal to 4ax. No, you know point A के कोऑर्डिनेट क्या है? A, L lies on it. A के कोऑर्डिनेट कैपिटल A है, इसके कोऑर्डिनेट A, L. ये स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द पैराबोला में लाई करता है. तो लाई करा देते हैं x की जगह a और y की जगह l. तो l स्क्वायर इक्वल टू क्या हो जाएगा? 4a एंड a स्क्वायर आ जाएगा. ओके, एंड द वैल्यू ऑफ l विल बी नथिंग बट प्लस माइनस 2a. ओके, द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ a, सो द कोऑर्डिनेट of point A will be A, that is A comma 2A, and that of the coordinate of B will be A comma minus 2A. The distance of AB, what will be the distance of AB? AB की डिस्टेंस क्या होगी? x2 minus x1 का स्क्वायर प्लस y2 minus y1 का स्क्वायर, दैट विल बी minus 4a का होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 4a. So length of lattice rectum is 4a. इस तरह से हमने निकाला कि लेंथ ऑफ लेटेस्ट रेक्टम क्या होगी? 4a. Once again, I would like to revise it. Standard form of the right-handed parabola, you know the equation, that is y square equal to 4ax. Okay, and what is the lattice rectum? Lattice rectum is the parallel chord which passes through the focus, and this must be parallel to y-axis. y-axis के parallel होना चाहिए. Okay, the coordinate of a, that is a comma l. This a point lies on the parabola. Okay, like करा देते हैं. Means put x equal to a and y equal to l over here. Then you will easily can find out l equal to plus minus 2a. So the coordinate of point A, that will be nothing but a comma 2a, and that of B, a comma minus 2a. The distance between a and B is the length of the lattice rectum. That is, you can easily find out the distance of the point A and B, that is 4a. This is the length of the lattice rectum, that is 4a. Okay, thank you.